you and me both know that we are living in this whole age of where things keep changing, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you, keep yourself abreast of learning new technologies and right? And what would be your next, wave of technology you may want to look into?
Yeah, I think for me, I'm extremely passionate about building and maintaining my professional network of connections, both within the higher ed industry and also outside of it. And the local analytics network in Columbus is so strong and very inclusive. And so I make it a point to be actively involved in a lot of professional organizations like Women in Analytics, Web Analytics Wednesdays, the Market Research Exchange. And I cannot tell you how much I have learned from these incredibly brilliant people within these organizations. And so that's one of the main ways that I stay up to date, all the way from small enterprises to large enterprises, what technology are you using, what CRM, what marketing automation, all of those things. And so that's been helpful. I've got some super smart people on my team who are always looking at the, next new piece of technology. Colleagues within Ohio State and outside, I meet with folks for lunch and for, even now in this age of not being able to meet personally, we have, Zoom coffees and just talk about, some of the experiences that we're having, technologies that we're trying, and of course, conferences, webcasts, and podcasts. Those are all the ways that I stay informed, but generally a lot through networks, because you're speaking with people who have actually used the technology as opposed to just reading about it. When I think about new technology, I think the three that I'm excited by are, marketing automation. We'll be getting, a marketing automation tool in a couple of months. We're getting a data catalog, and then learning about, the cloud technology. And I'm, super excited to build kind of that data analytics playground. So learning how to take these really static models that get uploaded into our data warehouse to a much more productionized, enterprise level kind of environment. So that's the technology that I'm super excited about. I am sort of researching graph databases. So that's, just as an aside, and it's fun. So that's definitely one thing that's piqued my interest, and I'll be keeping my eye on. But I think those are probably the main ones that I'm interested and excited by.
First of all, thank you for sharing this amazing wealth of knowledge and your experience. It was just wonderful talking to you, Molly, and thank you for it was great having you on this session.
Thank you so much for having me. It was great talking with you.
And I just wanted to close this saying, please visit us at the cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews.